Osomnotho bathi intengo yenkosi yezishebo inyuke ngamaphesenti ayi10 ekuqaleni kukaLwezi kanti kulindeleke ukuthi iphinde inyuke ekupheleni kwenyanga.
We can expect a short-term shortage on the markets, which will drive up prices a bit. I think over the longer term, as the weather conditions stabilize, we can expect that prices will definitely, draw back to the current levels.
Inhlangano yezamazambane iPotatoes SA ithi kube nokusilela emumva okukhulu ekulethweni kwenkosi yezishebo ezimakethe kanti nokulethwa kwayo kwehle kakhulu ngenxa yezinselele zokunisela abalimi ababhekane nazo.
We need to have more conversations between ourselves and the retailers, and I'm saying ourselves as the producer side, so that issues like what happened now with the seasonality can actually translate faster into the consumer side, so that we can actually, if there's an overproduction, consumers can benefit of a lower price. And if there's a shortage, you should recognize that there's going to be some difficulty in getting the right type of product on the table.
Osomnotho balindele ukuthi izinze intengo yenkosi yezishebo maduze.